Yes, we go join store, bro. What's up,
Where is your
guys?
phone?
Hard Garu Gaming Store is gonna be opening soon.
Are you gonna send me the code or am I just
Yep,
gonna
copy code. Alright, guys. Prince and Riskin join.
I'm not joining.
Hello, fine. As
Mamaya.
usual. We're gonna grind this game, Riskin.
dead?
It's in general.
Oh my god.
Joining.
We should really buy some like new phone stand. I should add like 2 more new freezers. I accidentally bought one.
Loading in.
We're buying 2 new freezers because yes, worth the investment.
I'm loading in Megas.
Up and there is Minos Prime.
Yeah, na. Damn. Come
Like,
here, niggers.
come out, bruh. Have you seen the store name? No.
Patigasan tayo, man. O, sige, tara.
Alright, I'm opening this damn store. This is all our perks. This is where you buy. Come here. Let me teach you. This is where you buy stuff. Or don't buy stuff. That's where you price tag everything. Like, about the normal price of this like $1, you like up it or lower it. Pero don't make it insanely expensive or insanely low. And right now, our job is to restock and look for ano nga to? For people magnanakaw because magnanakaws here exist.
Where does
Oh
this
my
belong?
god. Oh.
We have the nowhere, bro. And of course, you have cashiers already, so you need that.
No more products in the box. Okay, fuck
Throw in the trash
you.
can. Throw in the trash can.
Where is the trash can?
Outside.
It's not the trash can.
We have 10 loaves of bread. God damn.
This is, ooh, it's not.
We have so much cheese.
There's so much bread!
We think we have the same problem.
Sino ka ga?
Ay,
What is this? Cream shit.
let me price check this.
This has 0. This has 9.
Oh, if
This
it's
has
0,
15.
I'm throwing 0. Right. I'm gonna buy some basic necessities. You're gonna restock. Deal?
Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna clean.
We need this, uh, this. What else do I need? We need preserves. Oh my god, we need preserves. Cat food, yes. I'll restock the cat food myself.
I'm gonna catch you with nerds.
Eh, wag mo! Hoy!
I
Anong
didn't do
ginawa mo?
anything. I didn't do anything.
I hear the clicking sound. Huwag ginawa Kate. Putang ina.
Look.
Putang ina. Ulit pa
Wow!
din eh.
Hey! Hey!
Dumb.
20. 20. What the fuck is this?
Cat food.
This one.
Dine, dine! Sa baba dyan, sa baba, sa baba. Vegetable lasagna. What are these foods, bro? Vegetable lasagna? Oh yeah, Rizky, nasa labas set ng food, so I suggest you go get them.
Labas ng foods.
Yeah, go outside.
That's where I follow.
This is... What is this? I don't know what this is.
Chok.
Ano, kala ko tutulog ka na.
Hindi. Chok. Ano nga yung kanta mong inaano? Yung Hold My Gyat? Ano nga yung kagabi?
I'm muting you.
Ano nga yun? Sinesearch ko.
I
Ano yun?
just want to be part of your ski buddy.
I'm muting all of you.
Ano ba?
What's this one?
Don't be like that, bro.
I just wanna be... Nag-start na ka kayo ng supermarket, Ethan.
You guys can,
Yeah,
yeah, you can join, bro.
Send me the code.
It's in general.
Where is this? Where do you put this?
Ano yan? Ano yan?
This is soda. Oh,
Soda freezer. Oh my god.
Kakaantok.
I can't put it in.
That means that's the wrong. What does it say?
No more product in the shell.
We're 40 cents right now. Putang ino.
Oh,
Nice one, Prince.
Huwag may nakita ka magnanakaw ha.
yung gagawin ko.
Sasapukin mo ng broom mo. Langan.
Uy,
Uy, ano niga? Uy, niga.
Magnanakaw. Ano, magnanakaw.
Kaya nga. Did we level up? Oh, we did level up. What did we get?
What is the red one?
Have we got an extra employee yet or no?
Yes, we have 2 cashiers now.
Anyway, we have 2 slaves. I mean, cashiers.
Nga naman. Yun na
You're
Okay,
getting
now
them.
we need to get... Ano nga yung sunod natin kailangan?
Wala. We don't have a prior right now.
Oh, we should probably get the employees work faster.
Oh, we can get that right now. O yan. Ganun na.
Okay, there. Our prio now is getting rich, mainly.
I think it doesn't affect cashier. Should I make them restockers?
Money!
It does affect cashiers, in my opinion. Like, employee.
Oh my god.
Plus, we can't trust them in restocking because, like, they spend money.
No,
and they
no,
restock
no,
everything
no,
that's
no,
empty.
no,
Diba?
no. Restockers are the one that, like, we put it in the storage and they get it from the storage. They don't actually do it, buy anything.
I mean, it's kind of... Can't we just do that ourselves really easily?
Hindi, pero kapag dami mo ng gamit, di mo na alam kung saan ilalagay.
Maybe later. Maybe later. We don't need it right now.
What is this? It's like a red bag and I don't see a red bag anywhere.
That's soda.
No, it's a red bag. That can.
Bro, I'm trying to connect to your game, but it's not letting me.
I mean,
Oh, there we go. I hear that. I'm here.
Yan
Hold on, I
na.
need my bread. I need my bread. I need my bread.
Okay, nandito na tayo sa patigasan tayo, Mart.
God! Part 3.
Bro! Is that Rubik?
Si Mob Psycho, hindi na si Mob Psycho.
Kaya nga.
This
No, wait. All we have to do is move his, and we got Mob Psycho again. Someone move it. We need Mob Psycho.
Hindi, I have an idea. Wait.
Ano ga?
Lang. Oo. Hindi natin lalagay si Mob Psycho.
Let's go.
Hindi sa bakantang
No,
ari.
we have Mob Psycho.
Lang. Wait lang. Yan. Tapos.
Okay, let me check out what we're running out of. We're running out of... okay, we have that.
I need a
My-
broom for this.
Running
Yan,
out
si
of
Mob Psycho. Bago na nga si Mob Psycho. Babae ngayon ng Mob Psycho natin.
Hey! Go pay.
We're running out of a lot of stuff. Do you want me to restock?
Again, I'm gonna stay outside and look for thieves.
I'm gonna get some seafood. Oh no, not the seafood. Holy shit, preserves.
Ako na.
Those
What
are-
is this? Why is there a random box outside?
Hindi ko niyo.
Let me price check everything.
They had nothing in it. Yo.
Alright, restock. Someone restock.
Restock, I got this.
I'm price checking.
Restocking what?
Wala na tayong
Anything
frozen
out-
foods. We need more. Wala tayong frozen food. Yeah.
Okay,
look, I'm
ay,
down.
bossing.
Dog food. No more dog food.
Dog food.
Is that a gun or a gun? Wala.
Oh my god.
Hold my
I need
hand,
100.
it's love.
Yeah, they're not finding a lot. Yeah, it's mostly frozen foods na wala tayo.
Bago kasi yung frozen foods natin.
Room. I need to clean this. Doo-doo. Easy.
Guys, there's so much shit. Oh my god, there's so much shit
Okay.
to restock.
I'm gonna start restocking.
Bye.
Ayan, kita mo gala tayo nasa labas. Ayan, I'll be the most annoying piece of shit known to man.
Not on that shelf. This shelf.
Guys, I'm the most annoying piece of shit
Jeez.
known to man right now. I'm not lying.
Pre, I'm gonna buy an auto clicker for restocking. Iba!
I'm gonna put this in storage. Meron pa tayo nito kasi.
Utang yun. Talino.
Okay, ketchup. We need more shelves.
Is this pizza? I'm
Soon
turning on my
enough.
auto clicker. Where's my auto clicker?
Let me turn on my auto clicker too.
Oh my god, mga restockers, mga real niggas. Mag-restock na
Utang
tayo.
ina mo.
Asan ka si Jok Jok Hard Gaming? Nagkita ko yun, naglalaro na. Ba't yung ating patigas ng tayo Mart ay puti? Kailangan yun palitan.
Ay, hindi ko na ano yung oat mo.
Bakit puti? Anong gusto mo?
Kaya mas
Itim?
maganda. It's better.
Let's process it.
Dami lang.
Why does it feel like I can...
Ayan, Eudora yan.
Eudora.
Yodora daw yan! Luga?
Si Zeus.
Ka kasi nag-iisip.
Si Zeus, pre.
Ano gang Zeus?
This is the can. Here? No. I'm a dumbass. Why would it be there?
Ah, we're
No,
broke!
never mind. Where's my auto clear?
Likod, sa tingin mo, likod ka sa likod mo. Tingin ka sa-
Okay, I'm gonna put this in our storage.
Pre!
Now that I think of it, we should probably hire what? Nah, not really.
One restocker, tapos yung is... Jok Jok, mag-restock ka kaya? Yan at kayo! Yan, tapos ako magbibili. Yan
Stop!
dapat.
Just stop dropping the boxes at the door! It's right next to the stupid fucking trash can!
Kaya, different cake laging
Bakit
ganun.
ka?
I
What is
will-
this? Do we even... Okay, we do.
Wait, we have 20 dog food in our storage. No one's placing it in our fucking shelves. Stick.
What?
Bakit?
I got hard dropped by the fucking box you placed down.
Bakit?
Ang green beans.
Where's this?
Ah, shit.
Green beans ga. Sige, wait lang. Ganda.
Where's this? It's up here. And then place you up here.
Everybody.
17, 22, 23,
Behold my gap and
God.
let it slow.
Are yung baba. Are.
Tangina. May napapakinggan nga akong mali.
What is this? 40 piece. Where do you put the piece?
The frozen freezer.
You piece. Oh shit. Fucking.
Behold my gap and edge it slow.
I'll buy a new shelf.
Betty.
Like, here.
Where do I put the piece?
Wait lang, we're full on the shelves. God damn
We're
it.
full.
Are.
Okay.
There's a free slot here. There's a free slot here.
Are, are.
The peas are in the freezer, you fucking retard! And we're full! We have too many peas! Just keep it in storage.
We have too many peas.
Too many feet.
Who bought our piece?
Are,
What even is
magbigay
this?
ko.
We need more storage shelves.
Did I just get hit? Fuck you. I just got
We're
pushed.
gonna run out soon.
I'm gonna fucking ass fuck you. Whoever decided to push me.
Putang, sino yun?
Sino yun? I know someone is trying to hit me. Nasa yung broom
Ano
ko.
mga hayop?
Nasa yung broom ko. Nasa yung broom
Tangina
ko.
ko.
Nasa yung broom ko. Nasa yung broom ko.
PvP! Oh, PvP! PvP! Oh, PvP!
Tumigil kayo, behave like proper CBDs, bro.
Lang, I have to put...
Ay na, ano kang behave? Oh, okay, let's behave
lang!
like...
Wait
Bro,
lang!
kasi nasabi ni Jokchok, let's behave like proper citizens. We're in patigasan tayo, Mark. We only expect the best.
Sabi ko, behave like proper skibidis.
Putang ina.
Okay, guys, new shelf.
Kaya nga
unlock.
naman.
New shelf, come on, put your shit in.
New shelf. Ay siya, wait lang, pre. Ito.
We need a new storage shelf.
Storage shelf? Wait.
They're running out.
Pre,
Nanakaw!
let's put everything on the product
Nanakaw!
shelf that I put. Okay,
What?
so...
Nanakaw!
Magna.
Itim! Itim! Itim!
Ang ina mo, Duklu.
Can we get a new freezer? No joke.
Freezer.
Give me a freezer? Huh?
Never mind,
Wait.
never mind, never mind.
We have 2 fridges. We
Nasaan yung isa nating cashier?
Ano yung nga si Homsay ko, tanga mo.
Ano ka putang ina, mabsay ko? Puta rin natin! Itiligan dito. Ano ka mabsay ko? Tutulog na ako mamaya ha, mga 9. Yan, tutulog na ako.
Hindi, yun ganun yung oras na kayo natutulog.
Ha? Kung tutulog na series, tutulog na ako. Yun.
Riz, huwag ka na
Sabihin ko
matulog.
kay Julie.
Riz, huwag ka na matulog.
Magkasync talaga yung matataba. Magkasync talaga yung matataba.
Same hibernation
Ang ina mo.
period. Same hibernation
Ang ina mo.
Improve ko.
Ayun, joke lang naman.
Hibernation period nila.
Ang ina mo, 197.1.
Ayun. Alright, new fridge, unlock. Ang ino. Buwan mo, ibebenta ko latari.
Sino ka nagtira pa ng iisang coke din sa box na are? Inumin nyo na. Wala naman nabili ng coke.
Inumin nyo na daw. Inumin na.
Inumin nyo na!
Oh wait, this is the last purchase. Yun lang.
The last purchase, sana naman yung binili nila yung coke.
Ayun!
Yung isang coke na eh.
Okay.
Inumin nyo.
It's okay,
Si Gab
that's okay.
kasi, broke ni Gab.
That's okay, that's okay. Because you have to buy like a lamp shit.
You just need to get franchise points. That's what we gotta focus on, honestly.
Ba't ganun
We're
lalaro
gonna
sa
get
Fortnite?
basic products 3 after. Alright, time
Okay.
to open the shop.
Okay, I'm actually
Supermarket open.
wait lang, I'm actually gonna clean.
What?
Ay, tanga!
Sino ba? Si Bob Psycho!
No, hindi na alam si Ma'am Psycho kapag yan
Sorry.
nag-100%.
Ililis lang ako.
Wow, 100%. 100%. I'm gonna hit the people outside.
Okay, you know that give us minus points, right?
Alam mo.
Yaan ka muna.
Ayun na.
Easy.
Isang coke. Isang coke.
It's a hard jump.
Only can spam crouch, you know?
Oh, fuck. You can crouch in this game? No, you can't.
Yeah, if only we can spam crouch, then you can spam.
Oh, I thought I could.
Oh my god,
I
it's
thought I could
sauce!
get them out.
Huh?
Sauce. Look, come here.
Oh. Oh, sauce!
Bina yung name ng supermarket natin, ang angas na ngayon.
Sup makanik.
Ano?
Oh, every day ha, we have to change that once.
Okay.
I haven't found this smoked salmon. I haven't found this vegetable mix. Vegetable.
Okay. Can't buy
Yeah.
anything, we're broke.
Ba't ka may isa na lang din ng coke?
Ano ga?
Wala ka
Balik-
balik
nabili
mo
ng
sa-
coke.
Balik mo sa taas. Balik
Isang
mo sa taas.
piraso coke.
Balik mo sa taas para sa akin yun.
Nilagay sa taas para sa akin.
Eh siya since wala. Eh siya since.
If you guys ever wondered the employees in supermarkets just take one and eat. Like,
They can. Actually, if they're high enough.
Protocol ata, yung bawal ata yun. Protocol ata.
Nakapili
ina mo
yung-
siya! Experience ka pala sa supermarket. Ang ina mo nga yung
Pwede yun, dahil, but how does shoplifting exist if that doesn't, bro, you know?
Ultimating.
How does shoplifting exist? Ay, ano yun? Obligasyon yun ng mga maitim.
Yun.
Putang ina. Ay, yung shoplifting, diga, yung shop, sabi yung bine-bench press. Ano shop?
Oo nga, oo nga, oo nga.
Ano ka na?
Yo, may bumili ng coke!
Yun! Wow!
Putang ina.
No!
Yeah, okay, Riz. Ano to?
Guys, start restocking!
Okay, pagkain ni Jok Jok.
Wait
Pare.
lang.
Pagkain ni Jok Jok para sa pusa.
Pagkain ko baby food.
Putang ina. Ano gato? Pare, Lucky Me chicken na chicken? Ano gato?
LBB up lang.
Sino yun?
Favorite toilet.
We're in supermarket together.
Okay.
Abe, ang ina! Ay, siya, doon ako sa kabila. Ina mo, Gigabo. Autistic. Report?
Yun, little bro.
Always keep a broom. Always keep a broom in the perk chart. Para kung sino mo nag-block, patin mo na lang, pati sa labas.
Gusto mo yan?
Nasaan yung ano? Yung code?
I just wanna be a CBD.
Ayun!
Will you hold my gyat and not let go?
Ayun!
Play sino lang kantahin mo?
Putang ina. Pala, di pa,
Aririnig
hindi pa ako nakakahanap ng Filipino song, nakakantahin ko.
Akala ko yung ano.
Sayaw mo ako sa ilalim ng...
Gusto nyo ka, ano, Silly Billy lyrics Filipino translated?
Kailangan ka Pilipino?
Oo.
Buti na hindi ako kasama dyan.
Yung kumantay Filipino ethnicity lang.
Ayun!
Ay, siya, hindi kakantahin ko, hindi ko ka alam. Mundo.
Kakantahin ko, I just want to be, gusto ko maging part ng iyong skibidi.
Will
Hawakan
you
mo
hold my cat and edge it slow?
Putang ina ninyo.
Stop! Oh my
Skibidi.
God. Bruh.
tayo
Will you hold my cat and-
Hoy, tang ina.
Na naman.
Sino kang tanga? Naglagay din ng isang piraso ng cheese stick. Kaya tigtigin nyo rin. Takinan ninyo. Kaya kakampasin ko isa-isa. Kaya putang ina mo.
Ayun.
Ang sama ng lahi mo. Tagtagin mo nga.
Parang mas galit siya kaysa kay Ma'am Psycho.
Yan, diragtag na rin. Tangina sila. Binili ng matabang yun. Salamat. Alis na natin ito.
Christian, nandyan ka ba?
Tingnan mo.
Why is there 20 premium soda in our shelves and not in the stock? There's a new fridge that no one's using.
There's a new fridge?
Yes, there's a new fridge.
Skibidi. Will you hold my cat and shake it slow?
Okay, everything in the storage shelf, you guys have to like check if like you can restock it or not.
Can someone buy the singular piece of ham cheese crepe? Please, for the love of
Go na.
pissing me.
Go na. Taba ka naman.
Tang ina mo, suntok.
Yun, nagyan ng suntukan.
Eudora pa.
Uy, Eudora pa.
Tura.
Order of business while I'm here.
We already changed the name, don't change it.
Ano? Ano sabi mo? Nag-gold ka na?
Ano daw? Nag-jaw?
Daw?
Oy, may nag-beep dyan.
Ano ang rank mo?
Wait, who unlocked the new perk?
O pick 3 lang?
Who unlocked
I
the new
don't even
perk?
know.
What perk?
Can someone fucking...
Oh.
Can someone get rid of the ham cheese crepe? I'm still waiting here.
Oh, yeah. Eating soup one more.
It is so fun, Mart. Okay.
Alright guys, we got new products.
Yeah.
Because some monkey added a new perk when we didn't need
Why
it.
do we have 0 cashiers?
Huh?
Friend, dyan si Pop Psycho, tangina mo.
Ba't tayo may 0 cashiers? Look at this shit. Wow.
May mob psycho nga tayo, ano ga? That's 2. You don't, oh, it's bugged for you. Don't do that.
Okay then. Will you hold my gat and edge it slow?
Guys, get all of the new shit. Restock that.
Okay. Doink.
Why is spaghetti in a box?
I don't know.
It's supposed to be in a bag.
All you niggas. White, black,
Allahu
and
Akbar.
brown.
Allahu Akbar.
I'm gonna buy frozen food.
Fine! Oh my god, frozen food? Fine.
Hindi. The packing customers.
Oh.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
After like so long, I still haven't bought a single seafood yet.
Allahu
Because-
Akbar.
Guess
Allahu
how
Akbar.
much is one? 4
Bro, why is our orange juice price lower than the market price?
Pre, bago kasi yan. Alam mo ga? So, make it like higher. Make it go.
I'm putting it $4.
We're gonna do this. Each day we up the price by 1 cent.
Putang ina.
You know how annoying that would be fucking be?
Yeah, it's so annoying. Especially when we have like
By 1
100
cent.
plus products.
I-unmute nyo yung
By 1 cent.
ano,
Yoko nga.
i-unmute nyo yung matchbox.
I'm not fucking unmuting it. I unmuted it for 1 second. You know what I heard? I just wanna.
Dumi ng pasan.
Okay, I'm dead playing a good song.
Fuck you. I'm not trusting that.
Meron naman po sa music mod.
I'm not playing it anyway.
Kung manawawan ko sa labas. Kapal na ko prices natin kung di ka na tumigil.
Wala, hindi na nagana si Mob Psycho. Wait, paano pag ba natin yung position?
Tanga, wag mo na balda. Mahihirapan pa tayo. Tangina. Uy, may niga. Wait lang.
Aminiga!
Stunlock him! Stunlock him! Stunlock him! Oh, stunlock! Get stunlock!
Fight back, nigga! Fight back!
Let him get up! Let him get up!
Oy, wag naman kayong cruel. Wag nyo naman i-stunlock. Patayin nyo na.
Hindi!
Si Jopre, pre! Si Jopre!
Naku, huwag mong ginagawa.
Grand slam leg.
Okay, man. We gotta stop.
TOB! Troll more than full build.
Ano control warlord full build?
Itutupad, Mark.
I haven't found this tuna big. I haven't found this tuna big.
I love niggas!
I'm gonna take this big ass.
Gusto nyo,
Guys,
gusto nyo
restock!
Restock! Restock!
Sushi!
Restock!
Also, up the price on the crab sticks. I bought it for 400 bucks. You guys
I
have to
don't know
make it.
I don't know where the crab sticks are. May nigga.
What does the crab stick look like, my friend?
Yes, what do these crab sticks look like?
Okay, man.
It'd be so annoying if Prince keep doing that.
Why don't we just, incorporate, yung fucking mafia boss?
My friend, we my friend, we had like $0.
Eh, muchacho, kami, amwa kini.
Hey, I'm walking here.
What is this, my friend? Okay, it is
Oy,
a
muchacho,
cereal.
come back here, I'm walking it.
It's a
KFC,
cereal.
I'm walking it. Why don't you touch me slow and hold my gat?
I want secret.
Hold on.
Are you getting a team for your?
Prince. I'm kidnapping Prince.
Oh,
Yes.
I
go
swear
here,
to
boy.
God.
we just decided to put 20 soda on the floor.
Yes, because we're gonna. Your guys' job is to restock, and I put it there already. So I guess you can do it right.
Well, 20 Sprite.
Skibidi. When you hold my gat and edge it slow.
Uy, can someone check price on the new items? To check new items.
Ba't may gardenia na tayo, Gagi?
Walang, someone check price on the new items, bro.
Hindi ako.
Not
Hello?
me. I don't know how to do that. I'm an
Ikaw
accident
na
like
Gab,
this.
ikaw na yung matalino sa mat din eh.
Siya, ako na.
Asan kasi Jok
Check
Jok
price.
Garo Gaming? Hindi nagawa.
Ba't ka ang cheap ng ating dapat $1, $2 markup yan.
Putang ina. Nung dadayo din eh.
$2. Hindi, bumibili pa rin sila. Tingnan mo ga.
You haven't found this crab sticks. Who hasn't put the crab sticks yet? Where's the crab sticks? Is it sold out agad?
Crab sticks? Let me check. Do you have the crab sticks box?
No, like, I bought it. Where is it now?
Where is it?
It's a temperature food. Ubus na agad?
Is this butter or what?
Hover over them.
Exotic butter.
I think I bought, wait. No, I think I bought the wrong thing. Oh, I bought small sushi. Yan
Right.
pala.
Dog food pat pat. Dog food pat pat. Dog food pat pat.
No go.
A lot
of-
bro, I'm like Gru for real.
Oh,
Like,
it's a freezer. What is this?
Freezer.
Yeah. Demon!
I think Jok just said a Guru quote with a Frieza voice.
Someone left. Someone could have handled it.
Couldn't handle that.
Tonight, we steal the moon!
I know you like the rumors. I'm putting a $4 markup on this shit. Small sushi.
Yeah, because kailangan natin bumawi talaga dyan.
Ano ga?
Pagka ang cheap ng ating mga prices, dapat pataasin. Inflation kasi.
$100 per each. Right.
You hold my gat and edge
Tama
it
na.
slow.
Down. We have $11 here.
$11 store name. Oh, we don't have any more bread. Oh my god. Kaya pala.
The shelf ay
Mini.
magkatulad lang naman ang product na ito.
Oh wait, it's already 12:30.
Tingnan natin. Nako,
Okay lang.
250.
We're gonna go bankrupt,
Oh.
guys.
It's better than $878.
Bro, it's better than last time. Me and Prince got a 4K depth.
Oh, no. Come on, Mob Psycho.
Okay. I just wanna be part
There's
of
some
the
fucking
ceremony.
stocks in the fucking outside. No one getting that shit. Don't get that shit.
How about you tell us?
Are!
What is this?
I don't even know what that is.
Flower. There we go. There's 3 left. Fuck all. What's this? This one, right? No. We didn't use freezers.
Ano naman?
Freezer, not fridge.
We have...
Like for frozen food.
Ah,
Like chilled food.
ano
We
pa?
got freezer and then we have cooler.
Oh my god.
I
Wait
just
lang.
understood that.
Ano hanggang 10?
That's why it's called cooler.
Ina? Bakit? Ay, dito muna tayo. Hanggang 10.
Pinakasunod ay referee.
That's where I follow. If the world is ending, I wanna be
Are we making money?
I don't think
Just give me the
so.
money. Just give me the money. Just give me the money.
Sarado yan.
Wait, what is this? What is this?
Okay, guys. I have a question.
Chicken mix.
Do you guys wanna be cashiers for like this day?
Oh.
Oh no.
Bakit? Fully immersive.
I am so. You know what I'm gonna do to them? They pay. I'm gonna give them their change in cents.
Bro.
You're gonna have to wait there for a century. What is this supposed to be? Bird.
We haven't jailed anyone yet.
That's supposed to be our job. Where's the cops?
I mean, like, bro. Okay, we're getting a lot of money right now.
Is bread? No, not bread. Give me the bread. We need to reach the bread first.
I'ma leave the door open.
All of you are so
I'ma
bread
leave
hungry.
the door open, girl.
I'll clean the
Gardenia yan
trash.
kasi.
Gardenia. Siya
Gardenia
gawa.
kasi yung masarap kahit walang palaman.
Ay, walang palaman yan. Chokes to go.
Wherever
Is this
you
frozen food?
go, that's where I follow.
What is this? Oh, it's cereal.
Yung iba, nasa si Prince.
Prince is AFK. I think he's just deafened.
Bro, I think they're already on their way to Manila. Not gonna lie.
Ano Maynila? What do you mean?
I think they're gonna go to Manila.
Bakit?
Oh no. I don't know.
Sabi ni Prince?
Okay, I'm pretty sure no one likes chicken mix. So
Ah,
please
no.
stop buying
Hindi
chicken
yan
mix.
kasi Nor. Hindi yan kasi Nor.
Someone's buying shit for $33. Damn, you guys are hungry as fuck, mga nigga. Okay.
Yo, manampas.
Guys!
Guard the store.
Joke! Nasaan yung isang restocker na kid? Ba't napalo lang ng tao? Gumagawa naman.
Wherever you go, that's where I follow.
We need this. Spoon soda.
Saan ang milk? Where's milk? Oh, I'll just put milk here.
Stroke that shit, boy. Stroke it.
Okay, real good.
Jarvis,
Okay.
Jarvis, penetrate my arc reactor, Jarvis.
Ano ga? Ano gang penetrate
Jarvis,
my arc
Jarvis,
reactor?
Jarvis. Penetrate my arc reactor, Jarvis, Jarvis! 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 Jarvis, repair my suit, Jarvis. We sell pepper.
Yes! There's like 3 left. 3 chicken mix left.
Oh my god, what do you hate so much about chicken wing?
Hindi kasi
It's
Nor.
just there. It's been there kanina pa since I joined.
Bro.
Hindi kasi Nor. Hindi Nor chicken.
Kaya nga.
What is this supposed to be now? Frozen food?
Spaghetti mix. Where's spaghetti?
Need 67 bucks.
What the fuck is this? It's cheese!
Jarvis. Jarvis, penetrate my arc reactor, Jarvis. Jarvis. Will do.
Okay, you guys are turning mentally insane. Jesus.
I don't wanna be.
Will do.
I don't wanna be. I took how many years to be a doctor, not to be
Supermarket man.
not to be a supermarket boy.
Supermarket
God, I
stalker.
fucking hate dark chocolate.
Jarvis, Jarvis, penetrate my arc
No!
reactor, Jarvis.
And then your coworkers will say, Jarvis, penetrate me, Jarvis. Bro. Ayoko na sa inyo.
You
Jarvis, upgrade my suit to have special features, Jarvis.
Okay.
Jerk me up in the seat, Jarvis.
No God.
Jarvis.
Tama na!
Stop buying pink soda! We don't have anywhere to put it! We have 1 box of 5 pink soda, then 18 box,
The
18
fuck?
box of pink soda.
Jarvis. Jarvis, penetrate my arc reactor, Jarvis.
Ang daming bumibili ng fruit yogurt.
Fruit
Stop!
yogurt. Okay, fruit yogurt, fine.
You know it's bad when Rizka says stop. All I kept saying for 2 minutes was Jarvis, Jarvis, penetrate my arc reactor, Jarvis.
What is this? What is this? Is this supposed to be? It's not even cream. What is this? Stop buying boxes where we don't even have enough space!
We need to save up for more shelves.
No, we need more shit, bro.
Kill yourself.
Let me fit like a fucking.
I think we need to save up for more space. I don't know.
Let me see. How much is
How do you
space?
change the name?
The next.
Oh
the
nga
next
pala!
amount-
Someone change the name for the day.
okay. I'll
How do you
change
change the
it.
name?
It's only 500 bucks.
How do you change the name?
Yeah.
Jarvis,
Hold on, I'm gonna change the name. Get the fuck away.
Jarvis, be my philanthropist, playboy, billionaire, Jarvis.
Iibon ko yan mamaya.
Jarvis, penetrate my arc reactor, Jarvis.
Oh my god, we have so many boxes.
No one wants to buy Kojima or Cola.
Kojima.
Stockholm these knocks.
Oh, we can have ano,
It's tuna paste!
sugar.
Why is tuna paste outside
Change
the
the name.
fridge?
I changed the name.
Oh, let's get this.
Oh, I accidentally put
employee
wrong thing.
generate plus 10% more money in checkouts.
Kaya nga. It's our next goal.
How about we get more shelves?
No, we're gonna get more space.
Here it- si Pres! Si Pres! Ita si Pres!
Nasaan si Prince? Nasaan si Prince? Prince, sa Dota!
Okay. Look at the name. Look at the name.
Oh,
Ano
masakit ba yan,
ga?
Pres?
Don't be just
Masakit
like
yan,
a
Pres.
Steve.
Masakit yan, Pres! Oh, masakit yan, Pres!
Oh, you.
Ethan,
What?
give you money for Vegito.
Oh, ano? Oy, 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 oy.
After prelims, I'll give you money for Vegito. Kasi from the combo, you wanna do it.
Okay, I'm scared right now.
Why?
Because he said this. I want a combo.
Are you fucking kidding me? I've been honest with this pink soda since kanina pa.
It's not even pink soda, it's fruit yogurt.
What?
Okay, ba't arigan ni pre?
What is this?
Sabi niya, daming tao!
Hindi ka na naman. Ayoko na.
Tama.
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 Uy, ayusin mo yung product shelf.
How do you move it? Ano ba?
Sabi niyan! Sabi niyan!
Why do we have
Yan, maganda ngayon.
why do we have two French sides worth of pink yogurt? How many yogurt did you buy?
Sino kang gumagalaw po ka ng ina nyo?
look at the first fridge on the left.
Ano galawa yan?
There's so many yogurt. Stop buying yogurt. No one buys that shit. Stop buying it.
Stop it. Stereo.
Stop it, you're turning me on.
Stop it! Stop it!
What's the next expansion? Oh shit, 750.
Domain. Alam mo kung ano yung domain ng next expansion? Domain.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. I gotta restock. I gotta restock.
Okay, restock.
Penetrate my arc reactor, Jarvis.
Stop. Both of you, stop it. Or I will sell the whole supermarket right now.
You sound like Android 16.
Ala,
sell the whole
joke yung Android
supermarket right
16.
now.
Yung talagang Android. Yung Android 17, pre.
Ethan, watch my screen share right now. I need to show
What
you something.
dumbass decided to put one salt in the other shelf. So now I can't put anything on it. Fuck you.
We have a franchise point.
Ethan, my screen share right now. Ethan, are you watching?
Yes.
Wait,
Okay, I bought more, more bread.
Yeah, ito.
Ala, napanood ko yan habang...
Again, I wanna watch.
Guys,
Oh, no.
I bought more basic products.
I bought more basic products.
I need to price check everything. I don't trust you guys.
Hold on, price check ko si Jack Hardgar Gaming. Kano ka to?
No, under 17.
I have no other options.
His voice over freezer. His voice so virgin, and it's just him grunting.
I have no other options.
Tab into your game again, joke. Joke.
Wait up,
there?
watching this.
He's finishing the dub. He's finishing the dumbass dub of Dragon Ball, bro.
Okay. Tab.
Penetrating. Bako go in Deku moment.
Onga, bro.
Tab.
Back
Oh
to
my
Deku's
God,
line.
what is that? Wait,
Back to Deku's line. Back to Deku's line. Back to Deku's line. Back to Deku's line.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
oh,
Oh!
wow. Okay.
Hindi na
Wait, we got robbed!
$4,000.
Wait, we got robbed! Okay, one of you bitches. Then
I didn't
ano-
do anything.
Digat maitim na nga, balat
Putang ina.
maitim pa suot, diga.
Putang
Niga.
ina mo, joke.
Open!
Jarvis,
Wait lang.
penetrate
Oh
the
my
arc
God.
reactor, Jarvis.
Okay, joke, you have to stop saying that. Alright, time to buy stuff so you guys can restock. Get
Go! I'm
ready!
ready!
Get ready for the most bullshit of your life.
Everyone, lend me your energy! Okay, I got one. This is cream, something.
I swear to God.
Okay! One is down. I swear to God, if I see salt. What?
Guys, restock! Ikaw mismo.
Someone is moving the shelf! That stupid piece of salt is blocking me! I can't put anything on it! You see that, Gal? That one piece of salt in the shelf you're moving.
Yeah. I love it.
So, okay, please buy salt, actually.
Okay, this is too thin, but okay.
Oh, it's perfect.
Okay lang.
Vanilla yogurt. Is it like yogurt tastes like vanilla or just yogurt? What is this? Me and Prince can't fit through this, bro.
Okay, like, this is too large, we should like move it here. Okay.
We got excess bread.
Hold on, give me a
Can
second.
I start buying the pink yogurt?
Okay,
Okay,
Apollo.
may gagawin.
Oh yeah, that's way better.
Move, old woman!
Prelims din namin ha, ikaw yung manahimik.
Move, old woman. Nigga, move!
Move! Mga Master Roshi ko yan.
What does Master Roshi do best? Seduce women.
Ano ga? Bruh, we got
Who
20
the
bucks.
fuck just bought every... Who the fuck just...
Hindi yan, Minos Prime!
Save up, save up, save up.
Save up. We're practically good.
Puta!
Save up for what? For a shell?
Sino ng balat ng
Yes.
saging?
Okay.
Sino nagtatapon din ng balat ng saging na hindi naman tayo yung nagtitinda ng saging?
Mga maitim. Mga maitim. Mga monkeys, pre.
Kailangan ka natin ng ano, yung Mega Watcher.
Ipod!
Uy, may nagtapon ng ano. May nagtapon ng putang inang banana. Putang inang mo. Sinong nagtapon ng banana?
Ayan, gabo, yan, dalawa.
We have...
What
we
the
have...
fuck is
We have...
this?
Okay, hold on. Let
What
me
the
count. Hold no, let me count. We have 1,
What?
2, 3.
What the
We
fuck
have-
is this?
We have 3 shells worth of bread.
I think we
Wait.
need to move this, bro.
I think we need to move the... We need to adjust this a bit. Actually, you have to like, move it by like...
Gavin, I like how Gavin and Ethan are concerned about the multitude of customers, while Rizkan is just concerned about the bread.
You have
Wait,
so much
how
bread.
much bread do we have?
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
Stop
God.
buying bread.
I say a haven.
I say,
Try tayo yung Gardenia Factory. Alright.
Rizkan is just concerned about
This
the
is
bread,
like,
bro.
okay, hold on. I'm gonna count this individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 40, 41. We have 2 boxes and a half worth of bread.
Alright, new shelf added. I'm gonna start buying shit again.
I hope you're proud of
Make this,
yourself.
like, like more out here, like out this line, because we can put more sheds here.
I'm relayouting the
Move!
Nigga
Nigga,
move!
What is this? Swear to God. Wait. Why legit paniga, Alice? It's so thin. Oh, hi, Prince.
Mukhang okay, Prince.
So, Prince.
How can you move shelves?
I do not trust you with those words.
Yes, I do not trust you with those
You
words.
don't trust you with those words. Why do we have so much bread? I don't trust whoever's buying shit.
I shall cleanse this world of nigga.
And we have so much more space, goddamn.
What is this? What the fuck is this?
You can see the shit on it, bro.
What the fuck is this?
In your top fucking right. You can see the items.
No, what's in the box?
Just look at the icon!
Bro, sira ang monitor niyan. Hoy, ba't
Okay,
ka dalawa ng ating
great.
mob psycho? Ano ba yan?
Tapos lang yun.
Ba't ka may babaeng mob psycho dito?
I'm physically inspecting every box looking for more bread. Because I know some idiot's gonna buy that.
Is the ano? Why are the freezers next to the chip?
Freeze!
The fridge. Why is that the fridge next to the chips?
Yain mo na, maganda na tingnan.
It's because ano, it's
They're
like
gonna go soggy.
layout. 7-Eleven layout.
Wow, daming alam. Halatang worker ka na sa 7-Eleven.
Tama yung tao din sa ating jail cell.
Hindi manok, mangpukpok ka ng tao. Tingnan natin kung may mapapasok dun daw.
Like, what is it? It's so hard to read. Spaghetti. Okay. Spaghetti.
We're buying crab sticks. We're buying sushi again, by the way.
Okay, go.
Can you up like the price by $1 more on the sushi, Gab?
I don't. Okay.
You do it.
Bro, fine.
Move, lady, I can't see shit.
I'm just waiting for more.
Kaya nga.
Okay, we don't have any.
You go watch some robbers or some shit.
How can
Okay.
you know is robbing you or not?
How do I know what is a rubber or not?
Hindi siya
It's
nagbibigay
not
ng
black.
pera.
There's a text. There's a text on the on like the middle bottom of your screen that will say if someone's robbing. I don't know.
Wait. It's gonna be rubber watch. Me and Jojo is just outside with a broom.
Why don't we just make our own store?
Or tumakbo ka, tumakbo.
Instead of playing this game, we could just make our own store. I don't know. Okay.
You think we have enough
Okay.
money to do that, right? You think we have enough money to do that, bro?
Can we
just
fucking Can we hire a security guard?
Nope.
We can.
No. Fuck's sake. Is that a perk or something? Security guard.
No.
Alright, time to restock!
No way.
Um,
Come on. Get boxes. Just not bread. Hold on. Actually, let me check.
just not
So
Should we
hard.
go?
Yeah, not bread.
Who
Should
bought
we go
basic
for,
products for? Go top pot, top pot, top pot.
Bro, should we get
Oh,
more
let's go bottom
employees?
pot.
Shut the fuck up, nigga. Okay, should we get
Top pot.
employees generate 10% more money or
Let's get,
attracts more
let's get,
Yeah,
customers per
we get-
day?
we get air
crossbow monkey,
conditioning.
guys. Guys, crossbow monkey na lang. Bottom bat niya.
That's
Shut the fuck up. More customers per day or more money?
Fucking
Oh,
more
Hola,
money.
Gab!
More customers,
No,
because
like-
we get more money.
Gab!
Actually, more customers. More customers
Yeah.
means more
What?
money basically as well.
What do you
Ichigo
want?
is releasing in 6 hours.
Yeah. Tomorrow is tomorrow's my birthday, bro.
Can someone
Tomorrow
price check
we
on the
start
soda?
Okay, I'll do it. Since I don't trust Viscyan to do it.
Ah, kapag you don't trust, I'm the one here ranting on whoever decided to get so many bread.
I mean, like, it is going down. Bro, we need black tea. Nigga, you're black.
What is this? What even is this?
Just add yourself to the tea.
It's
God.
Zip Soda. Zip Soda, that's yogurt. That's yogurt.
Saan ga yung yung
Why do we have yogurt on here and yogurt on there?
So it's
Yeah.
doubled.
No!
Why the fuck is this priced? Okay, this is way too. Okay,
Okay,
I'm
we
changing
need a
it
love
to
stock.
This is soda,
bro.
right? Yeah, this is soda.
Who the fuck priced that shit? Like it's 2 times the value of that market value.
Ayos lang.
Okay.
No, if it's more than 2 times, no one will buy it. That's why QBD.
Yun na lang nasabi, puta.
Ang gagawin natin talaga ay pang rich kid lamang ito. 100 per item.
Soda
Ayun.
pop. Okay, soda pop. Okay, I guess down there. Okay.
Gari, yung advertisement sa labas, controversy. Tapos yung TV man sa sa Skibidi Toilet.
I think our
May-
name...
May itim. Laban. Mar.
Oh, our fridges are gone. We need to buy some fridge stuff, okay?
Okay. I thought you meant someone stole our fridge.
Okay, don't buy anything. I'm gonna
Bakit?
invest in lights.
Oh my god, not with the lights again. No, No, I'm not doing that. I am... Okay, you are actually spending money. Stop spending money on lights! Light it up, let it dynamite.
See, light it up like a dynamite. Oh. Yeah!
What the fuck?
What was that?
What?
What was that?
What the fuck?
Skill ko. Wait, wait, wait. Wait,
Bitty,
wait.
bitty.
Wait, Skill. Skill, come to me. Skill, come to me.
What?
I'm doing the job good, sir. Doing a good job, sir. Yes, you're doing a good job, sir. I like your job, work, sir.
I can't do anything.
You're doing a good job.
Where's the broom? Where's the broom? I need to clean this piece of can.
Ayoko na sa inyo.
We should put lights in the jail cell. Wait, no, we don't need to.
No,
fuck
keep them
no.
in the
Yes,
dark. Show them their place.
Boomsy, boomsy.
Ano ba naman?
Can we put lights outside? I can see shit.
Ano kung...
Hold on.
Put lights everywhere. What the fuck?
Something bro
I
fell.
just saw a big ass rat
Oh shit, a rat.
outside my window. No.
Tangin mo. Damn! Damn!
Pukin ako, alis ka dito. Tangin ako laking rat. What the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck? Get out! Nigga. Nigga.
Ano ga? Alright.
Putang inang negro ng daga.
End of this day. Let's go.
Tangay mo negro kan. Daga ka, pukin na mo.
Tamatay.
Okay. Oh my god. That is a lot.
Tang yung daga. Gago ka.
sa pwede na sa kanila ha. Sana makalabas ng pintuan namin doon. Ay, baka, pagka ako na-lockdown na gayon, babangon at agad ikakagatin ang paa kong gayon. Sabi ko, sabi ko, paano ko
Nakakagatin
nagawa?
ang pa.
Hindi ko naman
Nakakagatin ang
inaabot siya.
paa.
Hindi ko naman ginaganyan eh.
The fuck?
Kahit ano yung masagot ko sa iyo.
How much did we lose?
We lost 700. Pero, guess what? We're back at restocking.
Okay. Is this raw potato type or the fridge? No, you're
Take your ass like it's party.
Meron yan di ba yung selos?
fuck me.
Okay, kaya tayo
Should be double bot.
Sipog.
Shit, there's more in this. What? What happened to the freezer? Oh. This is frozen too, right? Can't tell.
Dami-dami tayo favorite.
Oh, we got a lot of money now. Oh, bro, we need like 20 more bucks.
Prince. Si Prince nandito si Prince. Hi, Prince. Kasama ko guys si Prince.
Alo, ano ganawan?
Oh, yun. Dami mo binibili, Prince.
Ang ina.
Ano yan? Ba't may mullet na ngayon si Prince?
Where? Wala pa naman.
We have spent 1 hour, 2 hours almost here.
I have max FOV, by the way. Music down.
Where is Gab?
What?
Oh my god. But I don't really stuff like that. What is this? Apple
What do you want?
juice.
What do you
Go
want, Ethan?
outside, bro, and do that.
I got it.
Maitim. Maitim
Yun. No, bro.
Maitim laplapan, maitim.
Okay. I gotta keep doing this. Whatever this is. It's Gruyere cheese. Why did me after the guy who stole the boot? Saw that. Sorry, I heard that as well.
I will bring the items inside. So it's easier for you guys.
Sorry, I gotta fix in the door.
Gab, are you gonna help or not? I can kick you from the game right now.
I'm the cleaner and the layout person,
Yeah, but
decorator.
after that, what are you gonna do? You restock there.
I'm
bro.
the security guard.
No.
Fair enough. What is this? Soda. It's hard to identify the brown sodas. Like, this is one extra. We need to save fridge space, more water. No!
Gab, I think we just gonna need your help. Look how many boxes we have.
Oh my. Okay,
No,
I will help.
this stupid woman just got in my way.
We need more seafood. Okay.
How much is that? We have 6 left. Okay. Do not double shelf. If one product is in a shelf, please keep it in that shelf.
Okay, this is milk. Where's milk? This game is gonna give me back pains, bro.
What are you gonna do about it?
Wrong container
Nothing.
type. Okay, it's plain. It's
Oh my
hummus.
god, move! God damn.
Why is hummus not refrigerated?
Milk is not refrigerated too.
We still have 2 rows of bread.
I wonder who bought all of those bread, bro.
1 box at a time, nerds.
Burn. Oh my god, Ethan's buying more.
Well, we
It's
have
a
to keep,
never-ending loop.
we have to keep working.
I'm pretty sure they do this before it's work time. Just say.
Ours is meantime, bro.
Did you just bought
His voice faded.
It's bad when Rizkian complains. You know it's bad when Rizkian complains. Oh, we have 1 point. I'm gonna spend that on
we get
getting
more shelves? We get
No.
more shelves instead of more products.
Come,
getting more air conditioning.
Okay, how about this? How about we get more storage shelves?
Okay, I unlocked the sweets and snacks.
Oh no.
That
Alright,
is,
I'll
oh
be
my
doing
god,
the
cookie jar is 100.
Please,
Look at the
where'd you
cookie
get
jar.
that? Where'd you get that, dude?
I got that because we're gonna get attract more customers.
Do not buy salt. Please do not buy salt. Please do not buy salt. Do not buy
Bro, we
salt.
do not need salt.
Exactly. That's why you don't buy salt.
It says here, so I am the one who handles that.
Okay, so it says there. It says there we don't need salt anymore, but somehow we still ended up with 2 shelves worth of bread.
I think because me and Gab actually bought the same thing. So like it
I've
doubled.
not been buying anything.
Ay di si Jok or si Prince. Nako, they true.
It is gone.
Oh yeah, every time I boot up the game, we added difficulty by 1.
Okay.
What?
Every time we boot up the game, we add the difficulty by 1.
Oh my god.
What is this?
So
No,
it's just
but
gonna be at like 5. There's gonna be like burglar. So people are throwing cash.
Aren't you the cleaning boy?
I
I'll do
am.
it. Okay.
I'm cleaning. I'm the cleaning boy. Get the fuck away. Don't steal my job, nigga.
He's defensive about his sad
think
ass
we-
young.
I think okay, here okay. You guys want who wants their life easy and via cashier instead?
That's easy.
Yeah, that's easier because you have to go around, look for the item, and then spam click and then do the same
Yeah.
process.
Restock. Okay, we need 1 restock guy.
I'm the restock guy. Fuck it.
Actually,
I'm not hiring you anymore. I'm going to.
ikaw na
You're
lang
gonna
maging
become a cashier now.
Okay.
Oh. I'll do it. There.
Okay. Good.
Yeah.
This is not a joke. Can we get more storage shelves?
Oh, he takes it from there. Okay.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying, ba.
Yan. Okay, we need more storage shelves then.
Okay, saving. No,
What the fuck have I been saying?
Okay, sige na nga. I'll get one.
Oh shit, this guy looks hella sus.
He's black.
I just look at him, he's just black.
No, this guy, he's wearing a beanie.
Bro, what you guys have against me? Hoy, nasan yung cashier natin?
Nasa nga yung cashier.
Gab.
What?
Ako yung ano talaga.
Wala ka tayong, oh my god.
Siya ako yung ano na. I'm gonna turn down my FOV for this. 70.
Thank you. Okay. We're gonna start organizing, please.
You're a stalker, brother. Where about?
In the storage.
Is there a stalker doing nothing? Wait, where? Oh, she is. That means I have to buy more stuff so she gets to do something.
All of the shelf, all of the 12 products in the middle. All of the
I think the
freezer
bot ain't
products in
doing
the
that.
right.
I think the bot ain't doing that.
Okay, we should just get like a cashier then. Because they keep buying way too much stuff now.
This is shelf product, right? It is okay.
Mahirap lang ang buhay talaga dyan, idol. We should get one more employee.
Put the bot back. It's not helping with my organization.
Pre, pabayaan mo na.
Okay, we're gonna put the bot back for the cashier then.
No. Wait lang, she's doing her job.
Trust me, organizing is the easy.
Oh, he
is
just
way
quit
easier.
mid-job. He just quit mid-job.
Fucking nerd.
Ayusin ko nga are, dahil are baliktad, binaliktad different. Sabi niya maganda to.
It's backwards.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. That's why I couldn't see it.
O yun.
Pinahatching dito. Hindi mo na. Fucking kidding me.
We need $1 more.
$1.
Swear God. No one's buying right now. Come on. Oh my
It's
god.
because it's almost time. It's almost time. It's almost time.
Yes.
What are you gonna buy?
Seafood.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I just saw our money. Putang.
Please don't just.
We're gonna end the day once the customers are out.
Oh my god, the big seafood is like good. Because it stocks it up instantly. Wait, I'm price checking it by the way. Nope, we're making that $21.99. I do not care any of your opinions. $21.99. No, $22.99. $3 increase.
Oh my god, we got $200.
Organizing people. Organizing. That will be your job.
What do we need? Do we need more freezers?
I think we need...
We need more freezers. No, not freezers. Actually, fridge.
Freezer.
Fridge?
Okay, I'll buy more fridges.
No. Okay, wait. Fridges?
Fridge.
Why fridges?
Vertical one.
So these
What do you mean
ones.
vertical? That's
These ones.
freezers.
This is freezers. Oh, this is a fridge.
This is a freezer. This is a fridge.
Okay, then baliktad si Gab.
What do you need?
What do you?
The tall one.
Oh,
Where?
it's a fridge.
Oh my! But why do you say the vertical? Vertical. It's horizontal.
This is vertical. It goes up. This is horizontal. The shelving goes to the fucking left and right.
Yeah.
You know what your vertical and horizontal is?
Yeah, horizontal. Oh my.
Naplapan na lang kasi.
No,
Tangina.
I'm
Abe!
no joke. I'm no joke spamming.
Okay,
Don't
since we
go.
can put a
Good,
double,
yeah.
since we can put like a double fridge here, I'll put a single fridge.
Oh, actually, we should put signs so we can label shit. and not just put shit randomly, maybe that would fix our problem of trying to find shit.
Right, there's a single fridge there. Someone put stuff there.
Maybe that's like a way to fucking organize shit is labeling
Nako, labels.
lanes.
Oh,
Yeah.
beds.
Like for
Off lane,
example,
off lane.
oh, putang ina. For example, we can name them after the basic products 1, basic products 2, basic products 3, ganun. Maybe that will fix our problem.
Nope, we're just playing it wherever we can.
Why do we have 2 fridges worth of whatever this is? Big seafood.
Okay,
Okay,
it's okay.
that's fine.
Times robbed 1 again.
Only
$37.
lost because of robbers.
Bruh.
How do we find robbers?
I don't know.
So someone tweet the creators, add security guards.
They say something like see us suckers before running out the store.
I put the rice right next to the cat food. What is
No,
this?
they're the only NPCs to run. They have like a certain animation of running. And they have this little thing where there's a money thing above their head. A crossed out money thing above their head. That's what the robbers are. It's pretty obvious.
Hold on. No one has bought this one singular salt that is on the shelf.
Voice
Who the
chat.
fuck would that be?
It's
Hello?
it's so infuriating. What are you doing with my face?
Hello? 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 Does no one hear me via voice chat? There's voice chat in this game the whole time.
Hello, nigga.
Imagine joining a random supermarket and just absolutely
Nigger.
screaming at them.
Dali, voice chat tayo. Baka may proximity to.
There is. But I don't
Okay.
want to.
Dali,
Ayaw.
bruh.
I don't want to.
Okay.
This is big sushi.
We're actually running out of bread. I'm buying bread. Oh my god.
We are? Okay, we actually are. Holy shit. This is a miracle. Thank you.
Bro, pass of the season.
Dota ako. Gonna go play ranked.
Ano pa?
Ranked!
Rank.
Lalaro ka gata, Andra. Kaya mo na.
Ano raga?
Wait lang. I'm gonna finish stocking up, pre.
Are you gonna play turbo or ranked? Only two games to play.
Niga.
Ayun, ay siya.
Ta.
Ta.
Alright, bye.